Hello mga higala, I'm Mitch and for today, gawa tayo ng street food. Kwek-kwek. But this time, gawin nating quail eggs, ha? Si quail eggs yung gamitin natin para diet or mas maliit. And then, gawa tayo ng iba-ibang kulay for a change. For the kwek-kwek ingredients, we have here flour, baking powder, my salt, black pepper, cornstarch, water, tapos 24 to 30 pieces quail eggs. Niluto ko na ha. And then additional cornstarch ka, nilagay ko muna sa likod para later. For the color, ito yung gagamitin ko. Gel color, but you can use yung powder, pwede rin yun. And then for the sauce, my water, flour, brown sugar, and toyo. Pwede ka mag-add ng sili if you want maanghang. Start na tayo. Mix nyo lang lahat. Yung flour, cornstarch, then yung baking powder mo, salt, and your pepper. Actually, you can use white ground pepper if you want. Then, water. Okay, so kailangan ganyan yung consistency. Actually, pwede ka mag-add ng water if you want na medyo mas runny konti. Kailangan not too dry, but di rin pwede yung super basa. If too dry siya, tapos i-coat mo sa egg, magiging makapal masyado yung coating. If too runny naman, masyadong manipis. So, dapat tamang-tama lang. Then, since iba-iba yung kulay, yan, I have here the pink one, nilagyan ko na yan ng kulay. Violet, blue, orange, and green. Mix natin. Okay? So, si orange, yan yung usual color ni Kwek-kwek. So, after ng color, init na tayo ng mantika. Yan. Dahil i-deep fry natin si Kwek-kwek. Tapos, kunin mo na yung extra cornstarch. And then, lagay na natin here yung nilutong quail eggs. Kailangan mo i-coat yung egg sa cornstarch. Medium heat lang si fire ha. Tapos, kailangan mainit masyado. So, pagkatapos natin i-coat kay cornstarch, lagyan natin ng kulay or coating, and then deep fry natin. Mainit na. So, unahin ko si pink. Okay? Siyempre, dahil pink si Sweet House. So, coat again ha. Coat mo kay cornstarch, tapos dip. Okay? Yan. Ganun lang kasimple. Yan. Gamitan natin ng tong. Okay, ikot natin. Malalaman mo if luto na siya. Pag ikaw yung nagluluto, matigas na yan, oh. Mabilis lang yan lutuin kasi si egg mismo is luto na. Mix na natin si sauce. Yan. Water, flour, tapos si sugar, brown sugar, Then, si soy sauce. And then, you can add sili if you want na manghang. Then, lagay natin siya sa stick. Para siyang fishball. Yan. There you go, our colorful kwek-kwek. Yan, in-slice ko pa yung isa para at least alam natin itlog ng pugo yung laman. Okay? Again, don't forget to visit our Sweet House Baking Store here in Cagayan de Oro, Balingasag, and Palawan para sa mga baking ingredients nyo. And don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and ring the notification bell para mas updated kayo. Bye!